Ahmed Bakayoko, Prime Minister, Head of Government and Minister of Defense today had a truthful meeting with youth organizations of all stripes at the Trècheville Palace of Culture in Abidjan. During this meeting, Ahmed Bakayoko warned his compatriots subscribing to the trouble, even he is a man with a big hat. I am a big-hearted man who will not tolerate disorder. I know how to do my job. Don't make disorder flourish. We must avoid unnecessary violence. I appeal to the young people of Côte d'Ivoire, to political party, we are first and foremost brothers of Ivorians but not enemies. To love your country is to see your country progress, do not be like those who publish photos of fire on social networks to denigrate their country. Do not be like those who cannot be reconciled in their own political party. Reconciliation is a political slogan for them. Young people of Ivory Coast want to succeed. I entrust this promotion to you. We have to succeed. As you know, I am like many of you, I am not a great engineer, a doctor, but I know the sufferings of the people. I will be sensitive to the problems of people who are frustrated, he said. The Prime Minister reminded HIS hosts that he accepted their meeting to dedicate to them this immense promotion given to him by the President of the Republic by appointing him Prime Minister. I think it is a great honor, which is given to the youth. It is an appointment that I owe you, it is an appointment made for you for the youth of Côte d'Ivoire. As everyone knows, we have the same path. I know your doubts because I myself have been forged by student and association movements. I know your sufferings, your emotions, the doubts that drive you. I went through it all, said Ahmed Bakayoko. Compassionate with the young, he promised to support them but they must take their destiny in hand. I know that after this meeting some will not have transport to go home. I did all of this and today I am the Prime Minister of Côte d'Ivoire. Do you know it is possible for each of you to become Prime Minister? I will establish permanent exchanges with you to fully understand your concerns and find solutions. Remarked the Prime Minister. He deplored the bad faith of politicians who appeal to young people when they have disagreements within their political formation. Politicians know that young people exist when they have disagreements in their political chapel. I will ask the minister to ensure that we have this meeting once a year to take stock and expectation. You have a big brother on whom you must rely and who will protect you, who will defend you, help you, enlighten you, open the way to achievement for everyone. Besides that, being a member of a youth organization is not a profession, everyone must forge themselves to have a profession. Everyone must have a profession. My appointment to the Prime Minister's office is an opportunity for each of you, believe me. We know each other, we are at quoi. I know that you young people of today cannot be cheated on you every day. I will feel you at one time or another. During this meeting, the mayor of Abobo, on the occasion asked the Minister of Youth, initiator of this great gathering to organize youth organizations into a platform. Take charge of your destiny. Any of you can become a Ahmed Bakayoko, but it takes work to stay focused on the essentials, do not get distracted. There are those who talk a lot, they know that we are meeting. When we meet at night, we don't associate you. When the going get tough, we call on you. Together young people of Côte d'Ivoire we must say no to violence, violence has never made anyone prosper. Concluded the Prime Minister, who must look bitter at what has unfolded today from Yopougon to Bangolo, to distant zone certainly, but with many synergies and a common explosiveness.